How to craft a value proposition that sells. A good value proposition is what sets you apart from the millennia of competitors offering the same products. Are you having a hard time getting people to see the value in your product or company? A good value proposition sets you apart from the competition and gives you a better chance of attracting customers. To create a good value proposition, you need to understand what makes your product or company unique. Once you know this, you can start crafting a value proposition that will sell. When creating your value proposition, remember who you're writing it for, the customer. Its goal is simply to tell your customers what's unique about your product or company and why they should choose you. Once you've created your value proposition, test it out on your target market. Remember, a good value proposition is what sets you apart from the competition and makes people want to buy from you. So take the time to create one that's well crafted and will sell your product or company.